Hello everyone, in this question it is saying triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and also triangle ACD is a right angle triangle and the length of AB is x centimeter and the length of BC is y centimeter and also the length of CD is z centimeter, and according to question the product of x and y is equal to z. Okay, and x, y, z hold only minimum integer value. Then we have to find the area of ABCD figure. So how we can find this area? Out of this four option there is a one answer, so you will have to say which option will be the right answer. Okay, so you can try this, otherwise watch solution. And also if you like this video then please share this video and subscribe this channel also with bell notification. Now since we have to find the area of this figure ABCD, so we will write here area of ABCD equal to, this will be equal to area of this right angle triangle, that is we can write area of triangle ABC plus area of this triangle ACD we can write, and we know the area of right angle triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base is y and height is x. Okay, plus for this ACD right angle triangle we can also write area of triangle is 1 by 2 base is z and height is AC, but AC we don't know. But from ABC triangle we can find this AC as x square plus y square. Why I am saying? Because using Pythagoras theorem we can write hypotenuse equal to square of some x square plus y square, which will be in under root. Okay, so we can write in place of AC, that is under root x square plus y square we can write. Now main problem is here, as it is saying x, y and z will be the minimum integer value, meaning x, y, z only holds that values which will be minimum and also following the condition of triangles. uh, we cannot take, according to question, as you can see, x into y equal to z. If we take 1 into 2 then z will be 2, but this will be not right now, because if we take x as a 1 then 1 is square and y as a 2, 2 is square, so 1 plus 4, that is 5 under root 5. This is not following the condition because this is right angle triangle, so this must be following Pythagoras triplet. So this is only possible for Pythagoras triplet, that is if we write now here x in place of x3 and in place of y as a 4, that is we can say that z equal to 12. Why I am saying? Because x will be 3 or y will be 4, then only this AC will be 5, and 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagoras triplet. You can also consider x as a 4 and y as a 3, but this is the only possible condition. So x value should be 3 and y value should be 4 and z will be 12. Now we can write here 1 by 2 in place of y, we can write what, 4, and in place of x as a 3, 1 by 2, and in place of z we can write 12, and under root x square plus y square is 3 square plus 4 square. So if we solve, then 2 2s are, that is 6 plus 6 plus, and this become what, 25. Under root 25 is 5, so we will write here, that is 30 plus 6, 36 centimeter square will be the right answer for this question. So area of this figure will be what, 36 centimeter square. So option number A will be the right answer. So thanks for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe this channel.